Hey there, folks. If you're holding a Discover card and wondering how to make the most of it online, you're in the right spot. Today, we're diving into a simple, step-by-step guide to using your Discover card for online shopping, bill payments, and more. Whether you're a first-timer or just need a quick refresher, this will get you up and running in no time. First things first, let's talk about getting started. If you haven't already, activate your card through the Discover website or app. Head to discover.com, click on Log In, and follow the prompts to create an account if it's your first time. You'll need your card number and some personal info, but it's straightforward and secure. Once you're logged in, explore the dashboard. Here, you can check your balance, view recent transactions, and set up payment alerts. It's super user-friendly. Just click on the Accounts tab to see everything at a glance. Now, for making online purchases, it's as easy as entering your card details on any secure website. Remember, look for the padlock icon in the address bar to ensure the site is encrypted. A few pro tips to keep things smooth: always use strong, unique passwords for your account, and enable two-factor authentication if available. Discover also offers fraud protection, so if you spot anything suspicious, report it right away through their app. Plus, take advantage of cashback rewards by linking your card to popular shopping sites. And there you have it. Using your Discover card online is quick, convenient, and packed with perks. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more financial tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Stay safe out there, and happy shopping.